We should be live. Perfect. Get this going. Big short day. We have to see what the market wants to do. Honestly, there's a lot that could happen. We have a new week opening gap that we can fill to the upside. Market's been moving about 300 points to the downside. This is like obviously the main target for the week. I want us to fill this. 942. We're about 300 points away, so it only takes one or two good days and we'll be up there. But other than that, I mean, there's just been so much news that you just have to be careful with what we're trading and stuff. Apparently the new leader of Iran, we killed him too after he got appointed. So that's more news, but I'm pretty sure it got probably priced in this move right here. But yeah, as we go throughout the day and throughout the days, we're just gonna get more and more news about this. Looking at the daily, obviously, we are bearish. I have marked out these lows right here, 449, 239, that I think are targets past, London lows and stuff. Kind of want us to, continue on downwards because I feel like that's just the play. I don't want to long this market right now, like, just look at this. We are bearish. Same thing with ES. They're both looking the same. ES is a lot further away from London highs than NQ, but we will see. Gonna try to stay patient today. Honestly, I don't want to force anything, but hopefully you can get something going. Last week we went 3-0. I want to continue that streak on. So SMT 4 hours at lows. Let me see. Yeah. Yeah, market just opened. Let's see if you see anything happening. We have news at 10 a.m. today, so we also have to wait for this. So either we get our move before 10 a.m. or we have to wait. And we are ripping. Like I said, nothing in this market is guaranteed, yo. Short it. What up, Nick? I'm not sure if I want to short this right now. We're about to just go straight for London highs. Which honestly could be good for us. Take out London highs. See some strengths. Some weaknesses around here. Go towards these lows. We could work with that. What up, Sean? Dude, I'm so tired today. It's not. I didn't even go to bed that late either. Alright, there goes London highs. ES is also about to take out London highs. Didn't take it out yet. I want to see a reaction around these highs to see, what price wants to do in the future. If we're going to continue on towards Asia high or going to see some sort of a sweep structure to the downside. So obviously it's only been 2 minutes since the market's been open. So you got to stay patient. Letting the setups come to us today, honestly. I don't want to force anything. Did y'all bank trading last night? Or did y'all not trade? Yo, Jonathan. What up, Jonathan? Just caught 6K? Hell yeah. Or 6K on what? Like your evals, funded, or practice?
Good morning, guys. I just wanted to get on.
Oh, here goes Pax. Not still out the game. Hey, bro. You're going to be back before you know it. So it's just practice for now. Yeah. Yeah, we're just pumping up. Holy. If you click that green button today, you're rich. Still have about 95 points till we reach Asia highs. Question is, are we gonna get there or no? This 5-minute candle is holy. See, it's 200 points. Oh my god, I did not know that's how fast it was moving. But yeah, this goes to just show you how volatile these markets are going to be for the rest of the week and up until this whole conflict ends. 200 points in the first 5 minutes of the market is crazy. You just need to get my head straight again. More money in the bank before I get back into anyway. Head to the gym. Have a blessed day, bro. You too, Jonathan. Have a good one, bro. I'll see you around. You can always text me if you need me. And just when you thought it was over, it just keeps on pumping. This is absolutely insane. We literally just keep on pumping. But yeah, a lot of people tried shorting Nasdaq and longing gold yesterday. Yeah, that didn't really work out for them. I made a skit and I was like, "Oh, I'm just gonna long Nasdaq and short gold," and it kind of worked. I'm not gonna lie, but they end up hitting daily loss on those accounts. But I mean, it was for a skit, anyways. But I did make a video that I was gonna do the opposite, and it kind of worked. Let me see what else news we have for the week. Tomorrow we have no news. Good morning, everyone. What up, Tris? Tomorrow probably not gonna go live tomorrow, but the rest of the week does look fire. 15 minute about to close in about 8 minutes. This literally shows a big picture for us. Um, if we do take out Asia highs, I have a strong feeling we can go for this new week opening gap already. It's only 40 points away. So I can definitely see us targeting that, honestly. Obviously, there's no like entry to the upside that we got. So we're just literally watching price run without us. But I would want to catch the move to the downside after we do take out the gap plus Asia highs. Yeah, NQ and ES are both on their way, so that's good. They're aligned. Morning, everyone new here. Good morning, Doctor Who. What up? What up? Short after sweep the open gap. Well, I'll have to see some structure to the downside, but after we take out everything to the upside, honestly, I mean, I would look for shorts, but we will have to see. I made my account over the weekend, but don't know shit yet. I can help you out. Who did you make an account with Tradeovate or like with a prop firm and you bought an account? Gabe helped me, but Elijah already told me about this. Yeah, he's in the other room. Honestly, yeah. So we can. So did you make it with a prop firm? Because if you already have an account going, we can set everything up. Yeah, we work together. That's fire. So much green. Yeah, no one expected this, huh? Everybody just wanted us to dump, dump, dump. Not sure what the difference is. I believe it was a Tradeify. Okay, yeah. So the Tradeify, that's gonna be the prop firm. So they're gonna give you the accounts to trade. Obviously, you buy the accounts from Tradeify, and right now they're 30% off, so you get a good deal going. And basically, they allow you. So instead of risking your own capital, the only thing you're gonna lose if you lose the account is how much you bought the account for. So that is a good deal as it is already. What's up, G? I'm new here. What's up, bro? Just trying to, catch a move real quick. Yeah, I paid the 97 or whatever it was already. Yeah, so you already have the account. You're gonna have your credentials for Tradeovate, which it's not gonna look like this. It's gonna look a little different. But that's where you're gonna actually execute the trades. And if you go in my Discord, it's there's a video that sets the whole Tradeovate up so it looks clean for you, because once you first log into Tradeovate, there's so much going on. And it's super intimidating. Yo, what up, Q? I really want to see us take out these highs first. To the downside, I mean, there's this big gap right here, and I mean, we don't have to be early for this move. We just have to catch the move, and we'll be fine. Yeah, I'm on your Discord already. Perfect. There's 42 videos, and you can get started with them whenever you want. That's gonna help you with just thinking about how you should think about when you go into a trade. And then some of them are about like technical analysis, which like chart work. But I focus more on psychology because a lot of people know what they're doing. Learning your strategy, learning how to trade is easy. It's how you it's what you do in the moment, honestly. That's what matters. And a lot of people are practice players, right? They do really good whenever they're out, like no, not risking their account, not risking their money. But the second they get on the account and it's actual real, like you can actually make money from it, they freeze. And you have to get over that hump. And that's what I basically focus more on because that is 90% of trading. 2 days away from a payout. Let's go. What's good, Huz? What's up, Ben? Dude, this is so good. I I get like consistent viewers on YouTube every morning now. I like that. I like that. The YouTube's something I've been wanting to grow for the longest. Out of all the platforms, I swear YouTube is the hardest. But we got about 15 minutes till news. Also, by the way, all the new people here, if you haven't subscribed to the boy, do it. It's free. I got nothing but educational content for you, man. And I'll be live here every morning too, so why wouldn't you want to subscribe, Come on. I have my phone open just because like if there's any news, I'll be able to, be on top of it. We keep on pump faking these highs, bro. We keep on pump faking these highs. And this opening gap. This is the opening gap, by the way, too. Wait, let me make it a little prettier. There we go. There we go. Wait, I hope not all of them. Well, not all of them changed now. That's crazy. That's something I didn't want to do. It's okay. Wait, I gotta change the opaque. That works. Whatever. Alright, well, this is the new week opening gap. Why don't let me trade gold? What firm are you trading with? Tradeify allows gold. But all the other firms they Tradeify banned gold. I don't think they did. Not that I know of. By the way, another thing, gold hasn't even been moving that much, honestly. This is all because of war news. See, have you ever fucked up your consistency on a fun day? Because I messed up yesterday on my lightning, like bad. How bad are we talking? We can always just do the math and see how much you have to make extra. I mean, if you did it yesterday at 6 p.m., you can always correct it. Just woke up. Did I miss gold longs? No, we didn't. We haven't been trading gold. I'm just waiting on NQ to take out these highs and this new week opening up. You can't trade the symbol XAU at TradingView via Tradeovate. Try GC. Try GC futures. It should let you. Okay, it looks like we're finally about to take out these highs. Pretty new in this. I found you because I train MMA with Elijah and Gay told me about you. Hell yeah, let's get you started up then, bro. Came to the right spot. I'm feeling bearish, but I don't know how we take out 556 on what, gold or what? 566. The DAG. I'm just waiting for the DAG to fill up the gap. Dude, I'm getting so many Twitter notifications, and every time I look at it, I'm hoping it's not Trump saying something. But anyways, we got 10 minutes until news, so more than likely just gonna have to wait the next 10 minutes and see if you can catch a move that way. Forgot to select my trading group on Trader, so I went all in on one account, so I'm up 3K on the Lightning. Okay. It doesn't update until end of day. So what you could do is lose about 2,400 of it and you will be fine. Because your drawdown still is going to be it's end of day drawdown, so unless you want to keep the 3K, but then you would just have to make about an extra $5,000 to $6,000 to request that payout, which I mean makes no sense. I hate trading groups on Tradeovate. Thank God for TradeC and Tradeify. Yeah, I'm still waiting a little bit until I try out TradeC. I'm still on Tradeovate. GC futures work. Thanks. Of course, bro. I got you. It was low key moving, made 400 towards my challenge. Sheesh. Gold be moving, man. Gold be moving. I'm just waiting on these news. And we just edged Asia highs again. We were 2.5 points. We're coming right back down. That's crazy. Let's take the opposite of what Timmy takes on stream. Bro, I watched that stream yesterday a little bit. I think they're just faking the whole thing, bro. There's no way Timmy is that retarded. There's no way. I hope I can say that on YouTube without getting banned too. See, I was just thinking that, but I did the math and it just wasn't worth it. Yeah, it's not. I would just much rather catch up to my other accounts and then build it forward. Unless that's the only account that you have. I don't think you do because you want to group them. But yeah, bro, there's no way Timmy's that stupid. There's no way. And everybody in the chat was like saying L script and stuff yesterday. It was funny. All right, looks like we're going towards this gap. Hopefully news pushes us a little bit further. Too late, buddy. Already reported you. You're done. My bad, Sean. I'm sorry if I offended you, bro. Yeah, I knew it was BS when he full ported the first again and pretended to be scared. Yeah, that was just stupid. But who knows? I have a theory that he's been making money with trading. I don't know. I think he's just putting on a show. There's like, I refuse to believe he's been trading for 2 years and he hasn't learned his lessons. 2 years is a lot of time, unless he's lying about the 2 years or he's lying about being unprofitable. One or the other. He tricked the internet like Marlin. Alright, bro. Okay, loud explosions heard from area of nuclear facility and airbase in central city of, oh, it's somewhere in Iran. Oh, all right, working towards this gap now. Obviously, wait for news. News comes out, and if it's bearish, all I'm waiting for is a candle closure below a retest, which is where we will set our limits. Continuation. He's definitely just trolling. Yeah, GG not trading. Yeah, I mean, this whole week you just size down if you are gonna trade. I'm trading micros this week because I don't want to risk nothing. You know, I'm close to a payout, so I don't want to ruin that. You know. We're literally just ranging around this price range too. Look at the 1 minute. This is disgusting. ES looks a lot better than NQ. Still looks bad, but you know, it's a teeny tiny better. Yeah, and using 5 minutes. Oh wait, we can do the Wordle. All right. All right, now let's play this. Okay. Oh, it ends in a E, so we know. Oh, JP Morgan says that this whole Iran is a buying opportunity and don't sell your stocks. Okay, am I tripping or there's not a lot of words that end with E's? It can't be break. There's no R. There's no A. Blade. No. No A. No D. Blood pulled up some game mid trading session. You are not real. Bro, I can tell you're new. I do this every session. I'm really just waiting for the market for the news so then I come back here. Because I just don't like watching price move up and down. It's so like there's nothing happening. Um Give me some words, y'all. Help me out here. Bro, Wordle during PA is tradition. It is, it is. would say pure A, but there's no R. 49 Asia Session Elite combo. I haven't actually. I have done that, but not that much. I don't play Fortnite that much. Cake, Wild. Let's try Wild. All right, we got the I, the L, and the E. I know there's no A, but we gotta give it. Okay, there we go. Okay, we're working with something here. The Blice. We need two more letters, y'all. Slice. Bang. Oh, bruh. Slide. There's no D. What else could it be? Slime. What up, my slime? Alright, well that's done. And then if PA is even worse, like horrendous, we start playing GeoGuessr too. That's something else that we do here. But just waiting on this news to come out. Wait, whatever happened to my? Oh, I deleted it. I remember. There we go. The gap is back. News in 1 minute. Yes, sir. Waiting on it. "20 seconds. Yo, Gabe. Bro, sending me all these reels. Gotta check them out after. Alright, let's see if Price does anything after news. Color's a little too. There we go. It's a little better. Ain't no way I'm trying to lose money and I'm up even more. That's usually what happens. Full porting CPI this month too. Yeah, I'm gonna make a video about it. It did really good for me last month, so why not? And plus, I mean, a lot of people passed their account, so the CPI method will not be patched. But yeah, I swear, every time I try to lose money, I end up making more money. But usually, whenever I need the money, it never works out. Someone say CPI. Bro got alarmed as soon as he heard CPI. All right, well, news came out, and now we're just left with PA. Are we moving? Not really. That's my bat signal. Well, we know. Bro's the CPI guy. You should trademark it, bro. Alright, ES took out London highs, NQ still hasn't. I mean, Asia highs. NQ still working towards this new week opening gap. A red Drake and green Drake candle, love to see it. Yeah, look at them. Side by side. No way we don't get Asia highs again, right? There's no way. There's no way we don't get Asia highs again. We have gaps above prices, just bro, it's gonna take a long time. So let's say from here to this gap, 250 points, and then 400 points. Yeah, just longs for the model today is just not worth it. We're just never gonna reach. I mean, unless we're just pumping with crazy amounts of pressure. But yeah, around here, there's no gas that you can take trades off of. You just have to wait for this, and this is like far away. So our best bet is honestly market giving us a sell model. We get it, we take it, call it a day. If not, move on. All right, I think we finally. Yep, there we go. Asia highs took out finally. You should stream 30 days with a viewer making profitable. All right, who should I get though? Who is unprofitable that would want to do it? 30-day stream. That's crazy. Bro said me. Pex, you're not fooling anybody, buddy. Yeah, bro, there's a lot of y'all would actually want to do that. What's up, Z-Ster? Aiming for 942.5 in that FEG. Nah, this right here, this is the new week opening gap. I don't have anything going for the longs today because it's just going to be super extended, honestly. Like, there's no gaps for us to take anything up until, like, we get to, like, this right here, and it's, like, 400 points away. Basically was just waiting for us to take out the new week opening gap or Asia highs, which you just did take out. Wait, why is there two? Okay. Anyways, and then make way down towards these lows. So if you get a sell model, I'll take a trade. If not, I'm not taking anything today. Anything for that Tampa high rise for a month? Bro, it's AI. The whole thing's AI, bro. I don't live in a high rise. I'm in my mom's basement right now. Why do you think I gotta be so quiet? She's sleeping upstairs. Gold is dumping. So smart, got you. Yep. Yeah, I was about to say, why do my drawings just keep on disappearing and then the gap just appears again? I'll definitely take the opportunity to make the best of it. I'll take all the lessons of wisdom for real. That takes a lot of planning. If I do something, it'll be fun though. Yeah, well, market's just been. I'm not a fan of this market. This 1 minute looks horrendous. Have any of y'all took any trades today? We're about to fill this new week opening gap. Yes, it's pumping. I don't think we are seeing a drop unless Trump speaks. Well, you know how that guy is. He'll talk any day of the week, bro. Oh, look at this drop. He probably spoke something. I don't know. I just followed the trend. Not gonna lie, I took the opening with 5 option contracts, made $200. Yeah, nothing wrong with, just catching the trend. For me though, it's just gotta wait. When does this gap end? It's about 9:43. We're about 35 points away from this gap. Market definitely wants to fill this. It's just a matter of time when we do it. ES is still pumping. Yeah, actually, wait, did ES take it out? Yeah, ES took it out already. Still needing Q. By the way, are y'all liking these daily YouTube streams? Or should I go back to just doing Discord? It's honestly the same. I mean, I don't think there's a big of a delay on YouTube anymore anyways. Oh, this might be the push that we take out the gap. This might be it. Israel has started to attack in Lebanon. That's the new news. And the gap, did not get filled. We were 4 points away. Wow. Can we just take it out already? Come on. So that way there's nothing up to the upside for us to take. Just literally looking for a sell model the whole morning, and price has just been running, so. That's what I'm saying, bro. Like, just sitting here talking about price the whole time, it's just so boring for me. That's why I gotta do something. I feel like I might have ADHD. YouTube delay is bad. Is it actually? Well, the whole point of the YouTube delay is so people don't like, signal bot me, because that's something I'm trying to get away from. All right, the gap is finally out. Now, I'm probably just going to sit here for the next 15 minutes. If we see some sort of, selling pressure come in towards the gap, I'll look to take a trade. If not, just going to have to call it, honestly. What signal bomb? No, signal bot. Basically, it's somebody that doesn't care about learning and just follows my trades. That's not going to get you anywhere in trading. That's why, I want to get away from it as far as possible. Everything in the Discord, everything is educational, so you can learn your model, and then take your own strategy, or you can take my strategy. But because there was a lot of people in the old Discord that would just not text, not be engaged at all, and the second I say, oh, I'm in longs, or oh, I'm in shorts, everybody just comes swarming in, and I hated that, because I genuinely care to teach people and get y'all going on your own, so y'all don't need me. Because there's going to be a time where I'm not going to be trading here, and if you've just been signal botting me the whole time, what are you going to do? You might as well learn, right? So you don't need to depend on anybody else. And then the community is just, there just to help you out and stuff. Yo, Z, you in a trade yet? No, bro. You better than me. You were still getting $100 per person regardless. I mean, yeah, but it just, I don't know. I just don't like to move forward like that, bro. I'll make my money with trading. It's okay. 96% of my income does come from actually trading, so I'll be fine. But then there's people that can't survive without having a paid Discord because they don't actually make money trading. Think about that. So those people need to get their groups going. I don't. Z retiring soon confirmed. Stop exposing me. Nah, apparently my boy just said Timmy shorted at the top and got fucked. uh do you have a class or something for beginners? Because low-key I don't know too much ball. Yeah, I mean, anything you need, just be active in the Discord and just let me know what you need help with, and I'll throw classes, I'll make videos. I just need to know what you guys need from me, and I'll make the video, I'll do the class. That's no issue for me. Already watched all the videos on your Discord. Yeah, I saw that he was up 1.5k and didn't exit. So you see the new Apex update? It's fire. It is fire. They unbanned me for 5 minutes, and I got super happy. And then I was banned again. I would close that 500. Yeah. He's just trying to pass the eval super quickly, and then just get a payout, honestly. Or I don't. Has he gotten a payout? I don't know. My audio glitched. It, bro. Said he's throwing out no classes with the CL. No, but yeah, all the new people, all the beginners, if you guys need a specific lesson on something, like is it chart work or anything, is it my strategy, is it anything you need, reach out to me, okay? Another thing, I would never DM you first, okay? All those are scammers. Do not fall for that, okay? You have to DM me first and then I'll respond because I would never reach out to you unless like you have my number or something. Because there's so many like Discord like, ooh, I hate them. I ban them all if I could. Are we up today? I didn't take anything. What up, Gabe? He used to throw acid in the old days whenever he hit TV. Nice professional. Okay, no. I never did that, Clemens. I never did that, Lemons. Gabe, did you take anything, bro? I just been waiting for shorts, honestly. We waited for this opening gap, took it out, and now, I mean, we either continue on and there's nothing for me to take until 61, or, we have a sell model. So this is what I'm waiting for. If I don't get it, whoop-de-doo. Bro, I couldn't go live. My internet acting up. Damn. There's an outage in the area. That's crazy. I appreciate that, G. Of course, bro. Just let me know. Wait, so that wasn't you I sent 10K to for a personal session tomorrow? I wish you gave me 10K, bro. I wouldn't be here right now if I got 10K from you. Bro, like 5 people impersonating you added me on Discord. Yeah, no, that's not me. Let me see if I can show you guys my friends list on Discord. I have, wait, these are my requests, friends. Okay. This will show you how much I do not use Discord and stuff. Look at this. I have 229 pending requests. I only have 11 friends. Okay. I'm not going to add you. I'm not going to DM you first. Okay. That's because that's just, no, I just don't do that. Great thing you said, bro. Yeah, please. That ain't me, bro. No way. Bro, they're impersonating me as a like my regular account, bro. That's not even my logo anymore. It's just me. Wow. He has more followers than me. Yo, that's another thing I don't understand. How are these scammers better than me at social media than me? Makes no sense. How do they have more followers than me, bro? They're better at being Zaim than Zaim is, bro, at this point. All right, we're finally seeing some sales come in. Hopefully, if it's if we get back to this level, continue on, we'll be fine. But other than that, they bought the views and it just pushes it out more. I reach out to you by Discord or Insta Better. It doesn't matter. Just DM me wherever. I'll get to you. Just make sure it's the right Zion that you're reaching out to. Trump to speak on Iran conflict at 11 a.m. Oh, God. Okay, we might have to stay on live. We might just have to stay on live. We got Trump news in 30 minutes, boys. So I guess you guys are stuck with me because I can't miss this. All right, we're finally coming down. Okay, well, I thought we were dumping and then we just started pumping again. Wow. Yeah, well, what was it? New York Times. Time to play some games. Which one's the last one that we did? Oh, I forgot the name of it. It was, bro, Connections? I think it was Connections? Yeah, it was Connections. Okay. Doing this while I'm bored. This is all baseball. Ball, foul, strike. I don't know if it should be position or safe. Safe. There you go. All right. That was easy. Yeah, we're just pumping back up. Wow. Okay. Standing position rank. What could be the last one? It's not station. Can you please just dump? That's all I asked for. All right, well, this is the station. Let's see. It worked. Okay. Status. This. I don't know the category or anything. It's got my brain thinking. Y'all want to help me out with these connections, bro? I love trading West Coast. I got time to buy coffee before Trump fucks everyone. Did someone say connections? Yeah, Ben, help me out, bro. I'm literally just need two more. The thing about trading in the West Side, you have to wake up super early. Imagine having to, because market opens at 6:30. You at least have to be up and ready by like 6:15, 6 a.m. Beam, vault, horse rings. Ah, I'm not familiar with gymnastics. I would have never gone that. I'm up 5:30. Damn, bro, it's locked. You see, I've learned that as you trade more and more, you start caring less and less. Like when I first started, I remember I used to have to wake up super early. I mean, it still is pretty good. That's just not my day to day anymore. Like I used to wake up. Well, obviously now, I mean, I'm fasting, so I can't even. Anyways, used to wake up, used to eat, go to the gym, come back, take a shower, and then trade. Right now, I roll out of bed at 9:10 and be here at 9:30. Both works because I'm still the same person, you know. But some people need to actually wake up in the morning. The second you put a chart in front of me, I'm already locked in, you know. Yeah, but then I miss all open and wake up at 7 to 8. Market starts slowing down. That is also true. Yeah, you kind of have to be up early. Like for me, like I have to be up before 9:30 because like around 10 and 11, if I wake up, nothing's happening in the market. We're slowly making our way down, slowly but surely. If there was a gap, you know, I would use it as confluence. But there's not even a single gap in this whole move up because we were just chopping up and down. But making our way down. Let's see if you can get something going. Dude, I think we're just gonna start chopping up, honestly. Trading on a phone is the worst thing ever. I believe it, bro. I used to trade on a MacBook, and then now I'm just on the whole PC. Well, I mean, it was handy whenever like I was trading with like Top Step, not Top Step, Tradeify, and had like their Project X and everything. I just trade like wherever I was at, like gold and stuff. But doing it full time, like just having a phone to trade off of, I don't know how long I could do that, bro. Trading View isn't bad on mobile. I use it to like just chart stuff out. That's it. I never traded on Trading View either. I've just always been used to Trade of 8. Alright, bro. I need price to dump. And I need it to dump. In about, what? We got 30 still minutes. Project X closed down. Yeah. So, if you don't know the lore, Top Step, Top Step came out with their platform, right? It was called Top Step X. They gave everybody in the platform access to it. Everybody loved it. And then they just rug pulled everybody and just took it back, just Top Step. So you can only trade Project X with Top Step now. Trump warns big wave still coming in Iran conflict. Oh God. It's about to go down, boys. Yeah, but Tradeify is gonna come out with their own platform soon, so we'll be fine. Someone needs to make something better. Right now, I think you can use TradeC on Tradeify. I'm not really sure. I haven't done it. But TradeC is essentially like Top Step X or Project X. You can move your stops and your take profit and stuff. The only thing, like, I started with Tradeivate, so it doesn't really matter where I trade. Don't get me wrong, Project X was amazing. Like, I loved it. But now that it's gone, do I miss it? Really? Like, no, not really. Like, I'll still be fine. It's okay. But yes, it was handy. Yeah, you need a Rhythmic account though. So with Tradeify, you could get TradeC. That's not bad. There you go. You can trade on your phone. Another thing is, Project X made trading like super, like they gamified it, so that people started not caring and like not taking things seriously. But I mean, that's half the community. So what do those people do who had Project X funded? They got rug pulled? No, they just they transitioned them over to Tradeivate. Like, everything stays the same. They're just on Tradeivate now. Just Lucid and Tradeify have it. Go. Yeah. TradeC. I still haven't tried it out. Oh my god, yo, this PA is so bad. Okay, how about this? I'll do this. If you're not in the Discord, join it. It's free. At 11, whenever Trump does start speaking, if PA starts moving, I'll go live there. Okay. So I think I gotta stick to Tradeify. Of course, they're the best. They're the best platform in the game. Why wouldn't you want to stick with them? But yeah, guys, I'm gonna end the stream here. For YouTube, if price moves like to the downside when Trump starts speaking and it's something taken worthy, I'll go live on Discord. If not, I'm just staying cash for the rest of the day. Okay. So you use Tradeify to trade, and also they give you the funded accounts. Yes. So you purchase the accounts from Tradeify, you trade those accounts, and then Tradeify is the one that pays you out the money when you do make the money, not the markets. Okay. So you have to make a really good decision on which company you choose, because there's some shady companies that won't pay you out, and you're doing all that work for no reason. Tradeify, on the other hand, I can assure you they're not going to deny your payouts. Anyways, with that being said, if you do want to get codes, if you do want to get accounts, just use code ZAIM. It's right down here. 30% off all the accounts with Tradeify. Best in the game. But yeah, all you guys, I'll see you guys in the Discord. If you do catch a move, make sure you join the Discord. It is free. And I'll see you guys later.